In this first video, we will show how to build applications. In the second, we will show how Excel is an integral part of the solution. And finally, we will demonstrate how to assemble visually rich workspaces via the web browser. In part 1, we will show the main steps for building an application, starting with dimensions and hierarchies, moving on to cubes, loading data, business rules, and finally performing a reorg. The main theme for this demonstration will be ease of use and end-user engagement. The first design component in planning analytics is a dimension. A dimension may have one or more hierarchies. In this example, we will create an organization dimension which has two hierarchies, allowing US states to be categorized either by region or vice president. We will populate the dimension members by copy and pasting from Excel. However, they may be imported from external systems and synchronized on a regular basis to incorporate additions or changes in the source system. Note the use of cut and paste and drag and drop to organize the hierarchy. Let's now create the VP hierarchy for the organization dimension. Dimensions are shareable objects that may be used by multiple cubes or business processes, providing a single point of maintenance. Other systems require the same dimension to be maintained in multiple places. Also, some other systems do not natively support alternative hierarchies, requiring multiple cubes to be set up to provide the same level of analysis. This requires data movement, reconciliation, and additional maintenance. The next design component is a cube. Let's set up a cube to track operating expenses. We will use the organization dimension together with some others which were previously set up. To start working with a cube, simply drag and drop the dimensions onto the canvas. Note that navigation is easy. Simply use drag and drop to rearrange the dimensions. To view the detail behind a summary value, simply click on the plus icon to expand. This feature is important for large dimensions where you may wish to view summary values but drill into the detail to answer a question. Some other systems provide only flat dimensions, where summary and detail items appear in a single long list, thus compromising ease of use and access to supporting detail. A critical feature in a collaborative planning system is real-time aggregation. Note that an update at the lowest level is automatically rolled up to the summaries in each of the dimensions. We have not defined any business rules in the cube yet. We get these summaries via the natural roll-ups in the hierarchies. In traditional spreadsheet-based planning systems, this would require multiple linked spreadsheets with hundreds of formulae. This, of course, is time-consuming and error-prone. Also note that some competitive solutions require batch consolidation to occur before the summarized results can be viewed. During this batch consolidation, all users must be logged off the system, thus impeding collaboration and the ability to perform multiple iterations. Let's upload some data. In this example, we are loading from a text file, but the system allows for direct integration to source system databases and the ability to schedule the uploads on a regular basis. Many customers upload actuals multiple times a day during the close. The real-time nature of IBM Planning Analytics helps them to reduce their close cycles. Now let's add a business rule. We're going to calculate a variance. Note that the impact of the business rule change is immediate. In today's dynamic business environment, one can always expect change due to either internal or external market pressures. In this example, we will reorganize the vice president hierarchy. The change is made using simple drag and drop gestures and is immediately reflected in the analysis. This means that changes are immediately available to end users, thus providing rapid access to information and reducing cycle times. In this video, we demonstrated the ease of use of IBM Planning Analytics and how quickly engaging and functional planning systems can be produced to quickly deliver value to the business.